अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम ग्रेड 9 की केमिस्ट्री का इंट्रोडक्शन जो है वो स्लाइटली टच करेंगे। उसको सबसे पहला जो है आज आपका कंटेंट का सबसे पहले यूनिट 1 है फंडामेंटल ऑफ केमिस्ट्री। और फंडामेंटल ऑफ केमिस्ट्री को जो है वो आज हम उसमें डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस ऑफ केमिस्ट्री को एक एक करके पढ़ते चले जाएंगे। सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन है। इंट्रोडक्शन में आपको केमिस्ट्री की जो डेफिनेशन है उसके बारे में जो है वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी। सबसे पहले ये है कि नॉलेज दैट प्रोवाइड द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दिस वर्क एंड हाउ इट्स वर्क्स इज साइंस। बेसिकली क्या होता है कि आपको नॉलेज होता है किसके बारे में, इस दुनिया के बारे में, एंड हाउ द वर्ल्ड इज़ गोइंग ऑन, दिस इज़ बेसिकली द साइंस. And the second, we're going toward the chemistry, and chemistry is basically the branch of science. And in the branch of science we deal with composition. First is the composition, structure, properties, and reaction of matter is called chemistry. These all four things we are studying. These basically interact with each other, and at the end eventually makes the chemistry concept clear toward the students. And in basically chemistry we deals different branches related to petrochemical products, medicines, paints and pigments, soaps, detergents, plastics, insecticide, pesticides. These are all the petrochemical products, like soap and detergents, paints and pigments, insecticide, pesticide. Most of the student ask the question that what is pigment is basically, it is synthetic and is also occur naturally. We added toward the paint that is totally insoluble, and it's impart the color to the paint. These are all basically the chemistry and the different branches and the different application of chemistry in daily life. And now we are going mainly toward the branches of science. In branches of science, in introduction, we basically talk about that how the chemistry interact with biology, and how the chemistry interact with physics, or how the chemistry interact with different other branches or sub branches of sciences. And first one is the physical chemistry. And the physical chemistry is basically as the branch of chemistry that deal with the relationship between composition and the physical properties of matter along with changes in them. That the physical chemistry is basically the chemistry that deal with physical property of matter along with the physical property, that how its look, its odor, solubility, melting points, boiling points. These are all its physical property. Along with the changes in these all property we can observe in the physical chemistry. Obviously these all changes, and we observe these changes in solid, liquid and gas, effect of temperature on the states of matter. These are all things we are discussing in physical chemistry. Now the next one is the organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is basically study of hydrocarbons compound that are strongly bonded, and bond which are present in hydrocarbon derivatives or hydrocarbon singly, that is covalent, not ionic, that is covalent, and that covalently bonded compound are very strong, and that is organic chemistry. In organic chemistry we deal with petroleums, petrochemicals, and pharmaceutical industries. Petrochemicals, I already tell you that soap and detergents, paints, pigments, plastic, these are all we study in petrochemicals. And the next one is inorganic chemistry. Basically except hydrocarbons, we discuss in inorganic chemistry, that and it has also application in chemical, all the chemistry application in chemical industry, because in every branch of chemistry there is interactions of chemical with industries, such as glass, cement, ceramic and metallurgy. Metallurgy is basically the extraction of metal from the ores, and there are so many brass, bronze. These are all the example of metallurgical elements. Biochemistry is basically the branch of chemistry in which we study, जिसमें हम जो है वो स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में जो है वो स्टडी कर रहे होते हैं, दैट वेयर इट्स मेक्स द बॉन्ड, either it lie in state form, or it in arranged form, or it in cyclic form. These are all the structure compositions, that how it bonded, how many bonds, how many molecules, and how it bonded, and chemical reaction of substance found, and chemical reactions, and at the reaction. First is the structure, second is the composition, and third is the reactions. These are all in living organism. All the biochemistry we deals biomolecules, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. And the next one is industrial chemistry. In this is also a branch of chemistry, जिसमें हम जो है वो डील कर रहे होते हैं केमिकल कंपाउंड्स को कमर्शियल स्केल्स पे क्या कि इफ़ एनी कंपनी गिव्स द टेंडर दैट यू हैव टू मेड दिस प्रोडक्ट इन लार्ज क्वांटिटी, इन सफिशिएंट क्वांटिटी, तो दैट इज़ बेसिकली द इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री. And basic chemicals, we deal oxygen, obviously basic chemical है, chlorine, ammonia, caustic soda, nitric and sulfuric acid. And these are industrial chemistry we makes with fertilizers at large scale, soaps, textile, agriculture products, paints and paper. Nuclear chemistry, this chemistry ये केमिस्ट्री की एक ब्रांच है जिसमें हम डील करते हैं विद रेडियो एक्टिविटी, nuclear processes and properties. And it's basically we deal with radiotherapy, medical treatments. Radiotherapy is used for the cancer, removing the cancers or tumors, preservation of food, and generation of electric power through nuclear reactors. Environmental chemistry, नेक्स्ट वन, ये भी केमिस्ट्री की एक ब्रांच है जिसमें हम जो हैं वो केमिस्ट्री और उसके इफ़ेक्ट को, ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी के इफ़ेक्ट्स को ऑन द इन्वायरमेंट. एंड इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री इज़ बेसिकली डील विद सो मैनी अदर ब्रांचेस ऑफ साइंसेस लाइक इकोलॉजी, जियोलॉजी, earth study, ecology, environmental study, biology, and we all study about pollution causing agents, about environment. We all study these things in environmental chemistry. Analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deal with separation and analysis of sample to identify its components. And in analytical chemistry, these are all used in lab for qualitative and quantitative analysis. Qualitative, we check the quality of any chemical species, and quantitative we measured in grams, we measured if we use flask, we measured in liters or milliliters. These are all things come in qualitative and quantitative analysis, and these questions you have to attempt by yourself. Thank you so much.